How to use Kimi AI. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So Kimi AI is a new AI right now from China. So to be able to access this, simply visit kimi.ai over here. And what I would recommend that you guys do first is to log into your account. You could log into your account using your phone number, and we will now be able to use Kimi and all of its feature. So as of now, there is another version over here. There are two models. So we have Kimi and then Kimi 1.5. So simply select Kimi 1.5 if you want to have the most updated response. And also we have an available option here where you are able to connect Kimi through the internet. So if you don't want it, you could also disable it. But if you want updated information, I suggest that you turn it online. You can also click on common phrases over here, wherein you will be able to create your customized prompt over here very fast and very easily, as you can see, for example, like this one. And you are also able to upload any type of file from up to 100 megabytes each. So you could upload up to 50 files at the same time, which is a really big number actually. And you are able to have all types of file type. Now, you could easily check out your chat history after you chat with Kimi, but every conversation that you will be able to do, you will be able to change over here. So let's say, what is the benchmark of Zephyrus G14? Click on send to be able to send your question, and it will generate your answer just like this. And since I enabled online mode over here, it will be able to search the internet, look through different sources over here, ensure that everything or every information that it is giving you is accurate and based on real results, as you can see here. As you can see, it will generate your output over here. It will show you the reasoning, and over here, you will be able to receive your output. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.